We got some weird stuff in Google Workspace every now and then. I am over here and I'm trying to change the profile picture of a page, and I am logged into my actual admin account, but I can't even change the profile picture of the admin from here. What you have to do is come up here to manage your admin console. So even though I'm logged in as the admin, you actually have to come up there and click that. You go to your admin console, and then from here, you can manage your users. So for each of these users, and here's the user that I wanted to change the profile picture for, you have to go inside here, and you've got, of course, a gazillion different options, including update user, and that's not the place to go. That's what I clicked first. What you actually have to do is click the profile image right up here. Okay, maybe there's another way to get there, but that's the place that I found to do it. It's just backwards finding some of this stuff every now and then. Okay, so there's the logo image that I wanted to update this to, and I'm going to now just refresh the page, and now we see that yes, Cups Orders now has a proper logo for that. So if this is a head scratcher for you, just make sure that you go into the admin console itself. If you're the admin, of course, for the Google Workspace, then you got to go to the users, and you can do everything back here, including a gazillion other things that I don't know how to do. If this was helpful, click like, subscribe if you want to hear more tips and tricks on things like this. I have a free newsletter that I talk about spreadsheets and automations every week. If you're interested in that, check it out. It'll be in the link in the description below. Have a great one. Watch this video next, and I'll see you next time.